your girl Melissa, coming back at you with another product review. Today's review is going to be short and sweet. I have a phenomenal product to bring to the channel, and there's nothing super complex about it. It's just something that I think would really benefit a lot of my viewers, so I'm here today to share that with you. The product that I'm bringing to the channel today is actually Baby Hair Wand by Liaison. You may have seen some of my previous Liaison videos for brows and lashes. If you haven't, I'll definitely link the playlist here. The product that I'm bringing today is actually for your hair. So it's springtime and we're gonna start getting into some warmer weather if you don't already have warmer weather year round. And that is ponytail and bun season because it gets so hot and the humidity causes frizz and it makes your hair like just act a fool, right? So this product, Baby Hair Wand, is actually designed to keep your flyaways tame. And I wish that I would have found this product sooner because I always shy away from wearing my hair up. And part of that is because I have so many baby hairs, I have so many flyaways, and I could never keep them in check until now. So the Baby Hair Wand comes in what looks like a little mascara tube, and it is just so cute and so simple. And when you open it up, this is what it looks like. So it literally looks exactly like a mascara wand. I don't really know the magic behind it outside of it having some phenomenal ingredients that are really healthy for your hair. This stuff just works and it's sort of crazy. Generally, I would literally put my hair up and look like I had just got done working out even though I hadn't. So the whole messy hair, don't care, and you know, the bun, it looks super cute. Yeah, it doesn't look cute on me at all because I always have massive amounts of baby hair, hair's falling in the back, bobby pins. It's just not, it's not a good look. So I didn't go looking for this, but I actually went on to Liaison's website so that I could order some more lash and brow serum, and I stumbled upon this product on their site. And I'm like, well, I love all their other products, so I'm gonna try and see if I like it. Well, guys, this is amazing. So you guys, I am actually going to head over to a clip of me using the Baby Hair Wand. So you'll see my hair kind of before the wand, and then you'll actually see me doing the application process. It's so simple, guys. Like, this is something anybody can have the time to do, and it's so simple, it requires no skill whatsoever. So I will go ahead and pop over to that video, but you'll wanna hang out because when I come back, I'm gonna tell you all of the wonderful ingredients that are in the product that will help to nourish and keep your hair healthy and strong. Stay tuned. Before we head to that video clip, if you are new to my channel and this is the kind of video that you enjoy, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and while you're at it, hit that notification bell too so that you can get alerts to the latest and greatest from me. Back to the video. What did you guys think? I think that this product is so impressive. It's ultra simple, super easy to use. What I really love about it is it comes from a company that I already know, I already trust because I use their other products. So that was what made it very simple for me, and it gave me the confidence to come to you guys and share it with you. So besides this product being extremely easy to use, it also contains some really phenomenal ingredients that I wanted to share with you. So the very first ingredient is actually going to be castor oil. Castor oil is a very well-known ingredient that helps to strengthen hair and promote growth. So the fact that that's in the product is phenomenal because even though castor oil is not going to grow hair overnight, it's just really nice that they use ingredients that are going to help promote healthy hair. The second ingredient that they use is actually betaine, and I hope I'm saying that right. It's spelled B-E-T-A-I-N-E. Now, that is an amino acid, and the purpose of betaine is to keep hair hydrated and strong. It's actually a natural amino acid that's found in the body, and it actually helps to hydrate the skin and body. So when used in hair, it's actually going to keep it hydrated and keep it nice and healthy and strong as well. The third ingredient is proline, and proline is also an amino acid, and its purpose is to promote collagen and help strengthen the hair so that you have fuller and thicker strands. I think that that's just so amazing, again, that they're putting ingredients in their product that are gonna help to promote hair growth. In the past, when I would try to tame these flyaways that I have, I would use things like gel or mousse or really thick, strong hairspray. And what I was finding is that in using those products, it was dehydrating my hair strands, oftentimes leading to really serious flaking and breakage in my hair. And that is not good because it's a vicious cycle, right? Like if you're using products that are causing breakage around your hairline, you are literally creating the monster that you're trying to tame. You're creating more breakage, you're creating literally more hairs. So there was a point in time where I had a halo of broken hair that would just stand straight up on its ends, and it was so frustrating, and it took forever to grow because I was continuously putting bad products on it to try to tame it. This baby hair wand is really revolutionary. As simple as it is and as common as some of these ingredients are, it just works, and I love it so much. So I just wanted to come here and tell you guys that for any one of you that has not yet seen my Liaison video, the products are cruelty-free. Most of the ingredients are natural. I would highly recommend checking out their website. This review is not sponsored. I have no skin in the game whatsoever. I just really love their products, and whenever I find something that I love, I want to share it with the world, and that is what this channel is about. It's here to help you in case you maybe have this item in your cart and you just don't know what to do, if you should pull the trigger. So that's why I'm here. I really think that it's a great product. I think that you should try it. So obviously anybody that's interested is probably wondering, well, how much does it cost? Where do I order it? I'll definitely link the website below, and I'll also add the product information. In addition to that, Liaison always has special promotional offers. Right now, their promo code is SECRET50. So I'll definitely make sure to keep an updated promo code in the description below. This is not an affiliate link or promo code. I am not associated with it at all. This is just me trying to help you save some money, sis. The product retails for $39. So if you do have that promo code, the SECRET50 gives you 50% off of that. So you would get it for $20. I can't answer the question in terms of how long this product lasts because it really depends on how often you're going to be using it. I don't wear my hair up on a regular basis, so I would imagine that this tube would probably last me quite some time. And I know that that's very ambiguous, but I really can't speak to that because if you wear your hair up daily, you're probably going to use a significant amount of the product and need to replace it more frequently. But I do think that it's really worth it. And again, with them always running some sort of promotion, you'll always get a sale. Another little pro tip that I would like to add about Liaison is that if you find yourself interested in other products on their website, for example, their mascara or their brow bond or lash bond, I highly recommend attempting to check out with the baby hair wand first, because very oftentimes at the checkout screen, they're going to ask you if you'd like to purchase additional items for 75% off. So every time that I place an order, I always pick one item that I want that I'm gonna pay the 50% off price for, and then at the checkout, I add additional items as I go along, saving me some extra money. That's just a tip that I learned from shopping over the last several months on their website, so take it or leave it, but I definitely love when my viewers not only get a really amazing product, but also get a really super great deal. So that's it, guys. I know that today was a really short video. With the simplicity of the product, there really wasn't a ton to talk about. It's a great company. They have phenomenal ingredients. They have a wonderful money-back guarantee. It's just a no-brainer, right? Like, if it works, it's from a credible source. They have great ingredients. It's affordable, you have a coupon, like what else is there to say, right? Once again, if you are new to my channel and you enjoyed today's video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. But also make sure that you hit that notification bell as well so that you can get alerts to the latest and greatest from me. Make sure to give it a like, and if anybody has any questions or if you've also maybe tried the product and would love to provide feedback on it, go ahead and comment below. I would love to hear from you guys. I'm always here to answer any questions that you have. It has been my pleasure hanging out with you guys today. Don't quit your daydream, and until next time.